Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make Flappy Bird using Pygame. First, you will need to set up your Pygame environment by installing the library. Then, create the main game window, typically with a resolution of 288 pixels wide by 512 pixels tall. After that, load all your essential game assets, such as the bird sprites, the pipe images, and the background graphics, to get your project started smoothly. Next, we tackle the bird's physics. You will implement a gravity effect, causing the bird to continuously fall downwards. When the player presses a key, such as the spacebar, the bird should receive an upward velocity, simulating a jump. It is crucial to also limit the bird's vertical movement, ensuring it stays within the visible game window and does not fly off the top or bottom of the screen. Now, let us add the iconic moving pipes. You will generate pairs of pipes that continuously scroll from the right side of the screen to the left. To keep the game engaging, randomize the vertical position of each pipe pair, creating different gaps for the bird to fly through. Crucially, implement precise collision detection between your bird and these moving pipes to determine when the game ends. Finally, we will integrate the game logic and scoring. Track the player's score by counting each successful pass through a pipe gap. Make sure to display this current score prominently on the game screen so players can see their progress. Implement a clear game over state that triggers when the bird collides with a pipe, hits the ground, or flies too high, ending the current round.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.